Hi, I'm Stephanie with Transfer Express. I'm the social media specialist, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to reach your customers and potential customers through social media platforms and paid social advertising. If you're new to this channel, Transfer Express is the leading supplier of digital and screen printed heat transfers for apparel printing. We are dedicated to customer service, and helping grow custom apparel businesses is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on making sure we send high quality, fashionable custom transfers on time and on budget. Let's talk about choosing the right social media platform for your business. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and each of them have a specific target audience and a different demographic that each one is best for. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to do a little bit of detective work and find out who your target audience is, their age, their gender, their interests, and that'll help you determine which social media platform is right for you. Now let's take a look at some of the main social media platforms out there. Facebook, for instance, has a really large audience with a little bit of an older age demographic. Instagram, on the other hand, has a wide range of age demographic and is very visually appealing. There's some other social media platforms out there too, like TikTok, perfect for the younger audience, and then also Twitter, that's for news, sharing, and timely information. And then also there's other platforms like Pinterest, Snapchat, and YouTube. You might want to have a presence on each one of these different social platforms, but you really want to focus where your target audience is and also the platform that you enjoy posting the most. So here's some hot tips for you for any platform that you're posting on. Make sure you keep your company information up to date. That includes your contact information, your website, and even your hours. And also make sure that you tell everybody what type of business you are so that when they're searching for you, they know exactly what they're coming to you for. For instance, if you're a custom apparel printing business, go ahead and put that in your description. If you do kids apparel or sports apparel, go ahead and put that in your description. It's best to go ahead and add as much information about your business so the right customers find you. Now, the goal of social media is to grow your following and, of course, to get your products seen. The key to social media content that's engaging is to be authentic. You want to show your customers who is truly behind the company and the business. You don't want to try and be too salesy. You want to toot your horn. You want to tell them why you're the best, but also you want to give your customers the spotlight too. You can also post your products, not only your products, but also how you make them. You can also post timely information like company anniversaries and birthdays. Maybe you won an award or you're setting up an event. When we're talking about photos, you don't have to be a professional photographer to share good images on social media. Again, we want to be authentic. And if photography isn't your thing, that's totally okay. You can use your cell phone to take photos. Just make sure that you're using the orientation for where you're posting. For instance, if you're posting on Instagram, you're going to want more of square photos. If you're posting onto Instagram stories, you're going to want a vertical format, so you hold your phone vertically. And then, of course, if we're on YouTube, we hold our phone horizontally. Just keep it simple. Don't over edit. There's a lot of tools out there that are free or very inexpensive to use, such as Canva or Placeit or even Adobe Spark. An easy way to get images to share onto social media also is to ask for user-generated content. You can ask your customers to share a photo of maybe the t-shirts that you produced for them, and then you can reshare or post that onto your page. Videos is the most highly engaged content and the most valuable across social media platforms. Keep it short. People want short videos that are easy to digest. 80% of viewers will watch videos with their sound off. So using captions on your videos is a good idea to make sure that everything is easily understood, even with the mute button on. Now, Facebook and Instagram and the other social channels really only show your posts and your content to a small portion of your audience. So if you're looking to boost your sales or leads, you can try and use social media advertising. Boosting a post or doing a paid social ad is a great way to reach more of your customers. Paid social ads are going to require some money and a little bit of a learning curve. It's important to know what you're trying to accomplish. Are you trying to gain more sales, or are you trying to get more leads? Or maybe it's both. Target your marketing. Your social ads should be relevant to your target audience. You can target your social ads to hit specific markets and interests. For instance, if you're decorating women's apparel, you can target specifically females. Also, if you're a local decorator, you can target geographically and only send ads to customers who are going to need your service in your local area. There's a lot of different ways to target your audience to make sure that your social ads give you the bang for your buck. Now, an easy target market that you already have is your own customer list. That's something that you can upload into the social channel to target your customer audience. You can also add a Facebook pixel to your website to help with analytics and tracking of the links to know which social posts are working best. Now, a best practice to optimize your spending is to do an A/B test in your social ads. You can pit two ads very similar up against each other for 1 or 2 days to see which type of ad, copy, images are performing better, and then choose the one that's performing the best and run that ad to make sure that you're reaching the most of your audience. Focus on one platform at a time if you're just getting started. A great thing about Facebook is that Facebook and Instagram are all done in the Facebook Ad Manager, so you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope you learned something new about promoting your business on social media. Subscribe to our channel for weekly ideas and tricks on how to maximize your business opportunities. Like our video if you've learned something today about heat printing and using social media. And comment down below if you have some ideas and tricks that will help our community. I'm Stephanie. Thank you for joining me. Happy pressing.